Hello friends, welcome back to Learn Python Programming and Mobile Phone Programming series. So in the previous class, we have seen how to define a string in Python, and even we have seen how we can access individual characters from the given string using the index value of it. Okay, so in this class, we will discuss about slicing in Python. So what is a string slicing? String slicing is the process of obtaining the substring of the given string. Okay, so assume that you have a very big string, okay, but you want to get the slice of it, like the substring, like maybe here in this case, you just want this as a separate string. Okay, so how can we do that? We can achieve that using string slicing. Okay, so let me show the basic template of string slicing in Python. Okay, so string, okay, whatever the variable name that we have, after that the square brackets, and let's say something like you give some index value here. What will happen? You will get the particular character. So here in this case, when you say s of 0, you will get t here as output, but here we don't want the single character, we want the slice of it. Okay, that means you want the substring. So in that case, you have to give the starting position of that substring. After that, you need to give the colon, and after that end position of that substring. Okay, so let's say in this case, if you give 0:4, okay, if you give 0:4, that means you will get the substring starting from 0th index to till 4th position. That means you will get this as a slice here. Okay, so let me show that. So s of 0:4. So here run. See, we got this as an output here. So that's how, okay, that's how we can slice the string in Python. Okay, it's not only about 0 and 4. You can give any position value. Okay, so let me show that as well here. S of maybe like starting from 2 to like 10. Okay, see here from the second character. I mean, second means not the second character, second position, second, like this one, I 0, 1, 2. Okay, so from I till the 10th character. Okay, so that's how we can slice the string. And if you notice one more thing here, right, the substring will be in the sequence of characters. So starting from in the first example, you have 0:4. That means you will get first character, second character, third character, and fourth character. That's all. Okay. So what if, okay, what if you don't want the sequence of characters, but you want the alternate characters? Okay, like maybe like in this case, you want T, I, and after that space, and then yes, again M, something like that. So in that case, we need to use the step parameter here. Okay, so how do we pass that step parameter? Let me show that here. S colon, okay, the first value will be the starting position of this string. Okay, starting position of the substring or the slice, and the second value will be the end of the slice. Okay, end of the substring. Maybe here in this case, let me give like 20, and after that you can give another colon here, and after this colon you can mention the step value. So in this case I will give 2. Now run the program and see the output. See, we got the alternate character from the given string. Okay, it's not only like 2 here, you can give any value that you want as a step parameter. Okay, so let me close this add like this. See, that's how you can make use of this step parameter. If you don't mention any step parameter, Python will assume that you mean every character, I mean the sequence. So it will take 1 as a default value. But if you mention any specific step parameter, that will be considered here. Okay. And one more thing. So in the starting position, okay, in the starting position, if you have like you are starting from the beginning, that means 0. Okay. In that case, you can ignore that. Okay. So if you don't mention any value as a starting point, it will assume that you want to start from the beginning. Okay. And Even for the second parameter also, if you don't pass anything, Python will assume that you want to get the slice till the end. Okay. And here in this case, the step is 7. So you will get every 7th character when you run this program as an output. See here, something like this. Okay, so that's about this. And one more thing. So even we have negative indexing in Python, right? So if negative indexing is possible, then even negative slicing is also possible. That means you can get the substring in the reverse order as well. Let's say something like I want starting from Z to S. So how can I do that? So let me show that S of, okay, the last character. So what is the position? I think it is 22, and maybe after that 10. And here, so since it is the reverse order, okay, the step should be -1. Okay, so that means what will happen first, you will get 22nd character, and -1 means 21st, and it will traverse in the reverse order till the 10th character. Okay, so let's run this program. Let me show the output. See here, we got the last word in the reverse order. Okay, so that's how we can make use of this negative indexing as well in the slicing. I hope you got the concept of string slicing in Python. If you don't understand completely, that's completely fine, because in the future we will be doing more problems on string slicing and other slicings as well. So by the time you will catch hold of this concept. Okay, guys, one more time, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with your friends. That is how you can encourage me to create more content in this programming series. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.